Hello friends, Wintrila from Modpunk Design, Craftada, New Delhi. Just yesterday shared the poster of our new Bujori collection, and these saris, I have designed in a little different way. I have given a very beautiful zari palla, which has sona rupa, both the silver and the gold zari, and then the rest of the saris have been done single knotted bandhage equidistant all over, and that is really time consuming to do, and it's a very effortsome craft. And then the blouse is also the same, and then we have done some beautiful coordinated hand block to the borders, so please have a look. So they are like, the designing is in elaborate process of designing, and the fabric also we have chosen very nice. I mean, the kala cotton, it is pure complete kala cotton, and woven in a very fine fine way, so that the fall of the sari comes automatic, and it's very nice. The first sari, I would start with this beautiful aubergine color, purple color. So this is a aubergine shade, where the sari has, see, the bandage work in the sari, and that is the border, that's the woven border. So sorry, that's the block printed border, not the woven border. So this is the first sari of the series. Just, it is actually getting picked up from the studio, so I thought that let me just showcase first come first, kind of. So we had 7 colors in total, now we have 6 colors in this. So that's the first one, that is the first one. So that's the palla. So can you see the zari weave? This is a complete zari weave. This part is completely zari woven. It's a very beautiful, and all these motifs have names. Now I don't recollect now, but if anybody asks me, I can always check it from my notebook, and I'll tell you that what these names are. So this is one silver, this is a silver one, and this is gold. So it's a silver and gold zari weave. So, and this is the hand block lines. The lotuses are beautifully hand blocked. So that's the whole sari, that is the whole palla. This is a beautiful hand block border we have given, and gray, yellow, ochre goes, and purple, gray, yellow, ochre and purple goes very well. And see the fall of the sari, which is very nice. The fall of the sari, see how beautiful. And since it's purely kala cotton, so the fall is coming very beautifully. See, that's the fall of the sari, that is the fall of the sari, and that is the palla. So this little shrinkage has happened because of the dyeing technique. The little the lengthwise the lengthwise there is a little shrinkage. So if someone feels that some has to extra fabric has to be attached to the sari at the pleat area, I can do that. So that is it. So that's the whole sari. It's a beautiful bandage, purple color bandage, and this kind of a border, beautiful. And this is the blouse piece. So you can see the blouse piece. The blouse piece has this zari woven border. If I'm clear with this, yeah, the zari woven border like this, and this is the blouse piece. See how beautiful, doesn't it look? So that's number 1, green, gorgeous bottle green. That's number 2. It's fascinating. So that's a gorgeous bottle green color. And again, the palla weave, there are this lotus blocks have come on the palla. See this, the weave is majestic. The weave is only gold. Sorry, this palla has only gold. There is no silver in this. Only gold combination. So this is the palla. This is the palla. Beautifully complete with their authentic and original indigenous motifs. This palla is woven. So that's the whole palla. There are 2 lines of lotus blocks up, and 1 line of lotus block down. And this is the border. This is the border which is coming here. As you can see that that's basically the dyeing part doesn't always come even, so it is little up and down. So this part, it has just crossed the the block part. So the block looks like this, the up and down block looks like this. It's a very, very beautiful block design, extremely beautiful block design. And the whole sari is with this kind of concept. This kind of concept. Extremely beautiful. And this is a, this block is a very ancient block from Khajuraho. From Khajuraho temple that we have picked up. This is a very ancient block. And so this is the whole sari. This is the whole sari. That's the palla. That is the palla. That is the whole sari. And see the one knot, single knot bandage, completely hand knotted. What Madurai cotton gives you, this hand knotted. So that's called sungudi. The process is called sungudi in Madurai. So this is the hand knotted bandage. And with this we have this kind of a little darker shade, little darker. This is a forest, this is a little darker shade, Rama green. This is a absolute bottle green, and this is a little darker shade blouse with Rama green. So this green is like this, and we have this woven zari in the blouse border. The sleeves will come with this, and so this is the blouse and this is the sari. So this is sari number 2 with bottle green. Sari number 3. This is a beautiful, I would say a little magenta, violet, purple magenta shade. Purple magenta shade. This is purple magenta shade, where we have given a border which resembles the, it's a hand block border which resembles the Vidarbha Tessar hand block border, Vidarbha Tessar hand block border like this. And so this is the sari. This is the palla. The palla has this kind of, this kind of block prints, and then it goes. So this has silver and zari both woven, silver and gold, silver zari and gold zari both woven in this. And then this is the lower part of the palla. So the whole palla has this kind of block print and the silver and zari woven. So this is the look of the, this is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari. So that's like very, very beautiful. And it is extremely arduous to do such knots, single knots all over with an equidistant, no more no less kind of. So see what a skilled craftsmanship is. Isko bandhna, isko kholna, absolutely a very, very challenging process, very, very challenging process. And this is and also since these are thick cottons, Kala cotton is a thicker cotton, so it is all the more difficult to tie and untie. So that's the blouse piece. So that is the blouse piece with the sari. And these blouse pieces, you can use it with umpteen number of saris. I mean, you don't really have to use it with this bandage, this bujodi only. This can be used with many, many saris. Okay. So that's the third combination. Fourth combination is a royal blue. The fourth combination is a royal blue with this. This has a thread woven palla. This has a thread woven palla like this. There is a thread weaving on the palla, and so that's the weaving part. That is the weaving part. There are mirror work also on the thread. So these are the mirror work. So that's the palla. Very, very beautiful palla, and nice colors, all the pastel shades. It's peach, gajri, turquoise, all the pastel shades. So very, very beautiful. And what we have done, we have picked up all these pastel shades from here, and we have put it on the block, on this block print. And the whole body of the sari has this nice, beautiful ink blue. This I can actually, maybe I can say this is a Chilpark blue or something, what we used to do, use for our fountain pens. So this is the sari. This is the sari. It looks like this. Very, very pretty. All over this bandage work is done. Completely hand knotted. I'm the real basic tie-dye technique. The real basic tie-dye technique. So that's the sari. That's the sari, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse piece with the sari. So this is the border in your sleeves border, and that's the blouse piece. So that's also another sari. So this is number 4. This is number 4. Number 5 is a black color. Black is black has their own, black always takes the, the first choice for its own merit, being so, see the black color, being such a beauty, So we have done the palla like this. All the, you know, there are silver and zari weave all along, silver and zari weave all along, and then we have given such motifs, such beautiful yellow, ochre and maroon motifs, and in the lower part we have given such this block design along with the palla. So this is the whole palla of the black, and this is the sari. This is the sari. See the hand block again. This is a Khajuraho temple hand block. Khajuraho temple hand block. I can always share the original picture of this hand block from where I have picked it up. So these are all very traditional. Since these are traditional saris and traditionally done, so I mean, so the hand block also, the block design also have to come very, you know, very unique. So that's the one. So that's the sari. That's the whole sari. Again, completely hand knotted bandage. So that's the block print, and so that's the whole sari. Beautiful saris, and this is the blouse. So this part is the blouse. This is the blouse piece. This is the border which will come, the bajori border which will come on the blouse. So that's the blouse piece. Okay. And last in this series, I would say navy blue. This is a navy blue shade where the beautiful navy blue shade, beautiful. So that's the border which we have given grey, pink and navy blue color combination. That is the palla where these you know, the pink and grey lines have come within this silver and gold zari weave. Silver and gold zari weave. So these are the block lines and these are the woven lines. I have not tampered with this kind of a design, you know, I have not tampered with them. I have let it be like that, and that is the whole sari. That is the whole sari. And also see, these are you know, since it's kala cotton, it is little thicker yarn, but the, you know, since it's all these kind of hand spun and this yarn, but the sari, I mean, the flow of the sari is amazing. This is the flow of the sari. So it is amazing. The flow of the sari is amazing. So that is the whole body. That is the whole body, and that is the border. That is the border. Absolutely marvelous, marvelous. And with this, we have this blouse piece. We have this blouse piece. So with the sari, so this is the border and this is the blouse piece. Okay. So these are the 6 saris available with the bandage work in Bhujori. And now we come to another rainbow Bhujori. So this is a rainbow, this is called rainbow Bhujori, where this the whole the leftover yarn from different colors, they combine, and this is very difficult to make. This rainbow Bhujori, this is very difficult to make. So this they combine the yarn of various you know, fabric, and then they place it accordingly, so that, and also they cannot just put it here and there in haphazard way. They have to put it in a mathematical proportion, so that this kind of uniform, you know, look comes all over. Uniform looks come all over. And so the palla is very beautiful, and with this extra weft weaving, you can see as the Bhujori, and these motifs are also there. So these you know, these are the things. And actually I've learned about the motifs name, but I forgot about it. But definitely if somebody is interested, I'll let them know. So that is the whole sari, and that's the palla. And earlier I had done a little bit of block print element on this, but this one is without any block print. This is as you know, basic as it's been, like kind of just the weave part. This is a Bhujori, this is a rainbow Bhujori, as you can see. So that's the sari, that is the sari, the body, and this is the blouse piece. So this the stripe part is the blouse piece. The stripe part is the blouse piece. This stripe part is the blouse piece. And also you get a border like this in your blouse piece. So this border will come on your sleeves, and also you can take it on your back. So this is one sari. And then this peach color, a very fascinating peach color, which I have, a peach color Bhujori, beautiful peach color, which the body is plain. I've given a hand block design like this. It's a mesmerizing color. It's a mesmerizing color, peach color. See the grains, if you can see the grains. It's a very, very beautiful sari. Very beautiful sari. So that's the palla. That is the palla of the sari. So this has this kind of a work. There are mirror work also like this. There are mirror work like this. It's extremely beautiful. and the body is plain. Many people prefer to wear plain, so I have not given any kind of motifs on the body. I've kept the body plain. So that's the sari. That is the sari. Very nice. I mean, very unlike of a bujori, I would say. It's kind of a designer, very, very designer look. And what I have done for the blouse piece, I have given two shades of, the maroon and the blue, which comes on the border. So, you can make the sleeves out of this, sleeves out of the maroon and the body out of the blue, or reverse, whatever suits you. Whatever you find nice and suitable, you can do that. So that's the blouse piece. So it is with the hand block. Very smart sari, absolutely magnificent and very nice. So that's and the last in this Bujori series is this is a peach color. That was a pinkish peach. This is a real peach. This is a real peach color with white work. So this is with the mirror work, and also we have given we have embellished it with a nice block border, and this part is also hand block done, and so the whole body has this mirror work, this kind of mirror work. This is a very, very beautiful sari, and this the whole body, the palla looks like this. Beautiful palla. So the palla has heavy mirror work like this kind of the whole palla has this mirror work. The whole body has, the front part of the body has this mirror work, and the second part of the body is plain. Okay, so the pleats are with the plain and the border. The pleats will have, this is the first part of the sari. The pleats will not have any mirror work. The mirror work is with the first half, like 2.5 to 3 meters is the mirror work. So this kind of a mirror work is there. It's completely hand woven motifs. With that, hand mirrors are there and real mirrors. And this is the lower border. The blouse piece of this sari has this kind of motifs, this kind of block printed motifs with woven lines, So that's the blouse piece of the sari, and so that is the beautiful sari, and very, when anybody wears it, it just looks bright and cheerful. Thank you so much. Get back to me if anybody wants anything.